Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spot in Invision's Web Verse. First, navigate to your desired Invision project dashboard. Locate the Spot tab or icon, usually found within the project's main navigation. Click on it to initiate a new Spot session or join an existing one. Ensure your team members are also ready to collaborate in real time. This initial step sets the stage for effective design feedback. Once in a Spot session, you can easily create new spots. Click on any area of your design to drop a pin, then type your feedback or question into the comment box. You can add multiple comments to a single spot. To share, simply copy the unique session link and send it to your collaborators. They can join instantly, providing their input in real time, making feedback cycles much faster. Collaboration is key in Spot. Engage with your team by replying to comments and discussing design iterations directly within each spot. Utilize the status options, like Open, In Progress, or Resolved, to manage feedback effectively. Once a design point is addressed, you can mark the spot as resolved or archive it. This keeps your feedback loop clear and focused, ensuring no critical input is missed. For advanced users, explore keyboard shortcuts to streamline your Spot workflow, saving valuable time during intensive review sessions. Spot also integrates smoothly with other Invision features, enhancing your overall design process. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This helps you maximize efficiency and keep your projects moving forward with precision and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.